Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk in diamond black crystal pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crossback detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, heated second row seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6245.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.